Hey there, this is Brian with Treasure Locks. I wanted to create a real quick tutorial for you today on how to use our rewards program. It's changed quite a bit over the last couple of months, so it might be a little confusing to you, but we've actually made it a lot better. I'm really excited about what we're going to be able to do with you from now on. First thing you want to do, as I always say, is when you come to the store, you want to make sure you're logged in to save time on the video. I'm already logged in, but if you don't know how to log in, check out our other tutorial on that, but you want to go up to my account and log in. So the key to the rewards program is going to be this green box now, which will be available on every screen, so you can always see where you are in terms of the rewards program. You don't have to go searching for it. If you'd like to find more detail, you can scroll to the bottom of the screen under Treasure Locks Rewards Program, click on this link, and it'll, if you're not familiar with the program, if you're not already in the program, this will tell you all about it, the different ways you can earn points. So you can read that at your leisure. There's some FAQs there, frequently asked questions. But let's get right into the program itself. So as I said, since I'm already logged in, what it's showing me is I have 376 points. That's my balance. And it's showing me my next reward level that I could hit. So in this case, that would be a $25 store credit for 500 points. And visually, it shows you here I have 376 out of 500 points. But I already have rewards that I can use, and that's what I wanted to show you today. So you want to click here on See Rewards You Can Earn. And when you do that, these are the rewards you're already eligible for. You can see this next one is grayed out, but these I have available to me. So I can redeem 200 of the 376 points I have for $5 store credit simply by clicking this green button. And the way our system works now is that'll actually put a credit into your account, which will be taken off at your next order. So you don't have to worry about coupon codes. We don't email you any coupon codes. You don't have to keep up with that. It just puts a credit in your account, and that credit does not expire. Likewise, I could use 250 points for free ground shipping, or I could use 300 points for a $10 store credit. Or, of course, I could keep collecting points till I get to the $500 level, which I like to do, and get the big $25 store credit. It shows me how many more points I need here. So that's the gist of how you can redeem your points, the points that you have. As I said, it shows on the rewards page some other ways you can earn points if you follow us on Facebook. If you share us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, etc., we will give you points for those various activities. One other thing I want to show you, and this is actually very exciting, is our referral program. We will give you, for every friend that you refer to us, a $5 coupon, and that will be a coupon. And your friend will get $5 off of their first order. That will also be in the form of a coupon. So the way this works is there's a unique code that will be given to you. You can copy it here into your clipboard and email it or post it on Facebook, etc. Or you can click the Facebook, the Twitter, or the email icon. That'll compose a post for you or an email that you will then send to your friend or post to your Facebook or Twitter. Any of your friends that happen to use this link, they will receive a $5 coupon for their first order. And once they place that order, we will email a $5 coupon to you. And that will come in terms of an email, and it will be a coupon. So that's really exciting. That's unlimited. You can share it with as many friends as you want. As many friends as buy from us, you get another $5 coupon. So keep that in mind going forward. The referral program, also the old way to earn points just by buying products. Make sure that you come in and use your points. Click on See Rewards You Can Earn to see which rewards you've already got available to you. So hopefully that answers any questions you've got about the new rewards program. If you do have any other questions, feel free to email us at sales, S-A-L-E-S, at treasurelocks.com. Or if you come to the website, you'll see a little logo down here in the lower right. It's our new live chat feature. We'd be happy to chat to you and answer any questions you might have. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day.